Hi guys, welcome back to our daily weekly analysis, and today I'll be looking at the XY, BTC and ETH. So let's dive right straight into this analysis. I quickly want to do this. I don't want to stay too long on this analysis. So as you can see on the chart here, we're getting these two local top here and here on the daily time frame. And one thing I keep telling people is, whenever you want to chart, first thing first, pay close attention to your levels. So you can see um resistance here, resistance, and it kind of found that support here. So are we seeing the XY dropping to this level or making its way down to this level? So let's take a look at that, and we'll go down to lower time frame. Let's say 2 hours time frame. So first thing first, you can see how price respected this local top here, no matter the time frame you're using. And it is very important we understand that on the daily time frame using Ichimoku, price on the XY is totally bullish, because we're seeing price above the cloud, and then the Chiku span, which is this, is still above the price and above the cloud. So it's telling us that we'll likely get a pullback and price should continue going back up. Okay, so lower time frame again, sorry about that. Lower time frame. So first thing first, we'll point out the levels here. What are the levels? We'll use the rectangle to draw this. We're looking at this level here. Map out this level. We're looking at another level here, which is the bottom of the rejection wave. So if price doesn't hold at these two levels here, which is here and here, if price doesn't hold at these two levels here, we'll likely see price pushing down to this level of support around here. So each of these move is giving you a perfect level of support and resistance. So these three levels, they are very key important levels we should pay attention to. And don't forget, even if price pushes down below all those levels, we're still inside this range. But one thing I'm looking at again is price breaking this resistance. Yes, it will be difficult to break it, but once we're getting this 1 2 3 4 move, just like this 1 2 3 4, we're getting what again? We're getting another 1 2 3, and we might likely get consolidation and a higher push towards this level. But I don't know, because 2 here is a fluctuation level where price must break out from. So from this, let's look at BTC USD. I'll use FTX. So this is the daily time frame. So as you can see, I had my previous chart there. So let me just remove this. Let me draw back what I had before, which is the support here. We all remember the previous video I dropped where I pointed out the support. So I'm going to break this down. Let's go down to lower time frame based on the previous analysis I dropped, where I talked about this descending bordering wedge, which actually broke out to the upside here. So this is it here, descending bordering wedge. And I was talking about this target, and this target is very important. Why I said this target is very important is because on the daily time frame we have the flat key there, where price will likely find resistance. Okay, and apart from that, there are two things we need to pay attention to. The first thing is, on the daily time frame, we're getting this bullish engulfing candlestick. Now on the lower time frame again, 45 minutes, we're getting, let me remove the Ichimoku, we're getting this rising wedge, which I really don't like it when we're getting multiple or mixed signals here. So the best thing is to relax and wait for the higher time frame to play out. So we're getting this rising wedge, but that doesn't mean that price would not even push higher to this level. It will likely push higher to that level, but that level, which is 2700, is one of the key important level we should pay close attention to, because we've had previous support here. We've had previous support here, support, and will likely turn to future resistance. So what I'm looking at here is for us to be very, very, very careful. BTC is at the point of getting to its new resistance, while ETH is at the point of breaking out. So let's look at it so that we'll all combine the whole analysis. Okay, let me use USD. It's at the point of breaking out from the falling wedge, which I talked about. Yeah, the falling wedge here. So I talked about this falling wedge. Let me go to 4 hours time frame. Talked about this falling wedge yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, from here I'm down to this level here. Then the support around here up to this level here. Okay, support was around here. So yeah, so I talked about the same descending bordering wedge which formed around here, and the other one around here. So what I said was just because we're seeing this breakout from here, it's going to face another strong resistance here. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So we have the support should be 1, 2, 3. So it's very, very, very important we understand all these levels, how they play, how they're going to play out, how it's being respected. So if this doesn't break out here, we'll get a push back down. So it is very, very important. And again, we will likely see, let me see if there's any bearish here. Okay, you see price is pushing higher, and you see this down sloping, and this is trying to push higher. So if this pushes higher, we're going to get something like this and this, which will turn to a bearish divergence. So we have to take our time. You don't need to rush into any trade. Take your time to understand what is happening in the market. Don't just rush into the trade and say, okay, let me take this. And if price breaks out above this, we want the body of the candlestick to stay above this. Why? If it stays above this, it has automatically violated the psychological level where people have that previous knowledge that, okay, this and this would actually cause price to push back down. So if price breaks out above this, then we'll get a push higher. But this level is one of the key most important resistance which price must battle with. So I think we should just be on the sideline. You're not supposed to be in this trade now. You're supposed to wait for the breakout before you take this trade. So if you have not joined my Signal channel, do well to join my Signal channel. Check the link in the description below, you get it. And don't forget to subscribe and put on the notification so that whenever I drop any chat, you will get the notification and watch. So guys, stay safe, happy trading, and enjoy the rest of your day.